Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer XDC from XMO to KuCoin in 2025. If you're looking to move your XDC tokens for better trading opportunities or portfolio management, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your assets secure. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both XMO and KuCoin. Start by logging into your XMO account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Balance section to locate your XDC holdings. Now, navigate to the Withdrawal page. It's usually under a Withdraw or Transfer Out option. Next, select XDC as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. You'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address, which should be from your KuCoin account. Before you do that, hop over to KuCoin and log in. Go to your KuCoin dashboard, find the Assets or Deposit section, and copy the XDC deposit address. Pro tip: always verify that the address is correct to avoid any irreversible mistakes, especially since crypto transfers are final. Back on XMO, paste that KuCoin address into the withdrawal form. You'll also need to specify the amount of XDC you want to transfer. Don't forget to check for any withdrawal fees, as these can vary. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for security. After that, sit tight. Transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion in 2025. Keep an eye on your email or XMO notifications for confirmation. Once it's done, log back into KuCoin and check your XDC balance to ensure everything arrived safely. And there you have it. That's how you transfer XDC from XMO to KuCoin in 2025. If you follow these steps, you'll be a pro in no time. If you run into any issues, double-check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction status. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. See you next time.